Good morning, and continue lang discussion natin about differential calculus, and this time proceed tayo sa derivatives of logarithmic function. Then kasama na rito yung natural logarithm. Okay, natural logarithm, yan yung ln. Okay, then tulad ng mga nauna natin, may specific na derivative siya. Then after that, apply lang yung algebraic function logarithm, algebraic derivative ng algebraic function natin. Kaya magkakaroon kayo ng mastery niyan habang tumatagal. Okay? Example, ln x, derivative of ln x, x lang siya, 1 over x. Pero derivative ng ln tapos function, sa ibang material, instead na fx, ito ay a. Okay? O kung ano man. Okay? Basta function yan. Okay? Is equal to 1 over function. Kumbaga ito, kukunin lang natin yan. I-repeat lang, copy lang. Lagay sa denominator. Then after that, kunin natin yung derivative nitong function na to. Kaya lumalabas chain rule. Naka-chain rule din tayo dyan. Okay? Then next, yan. Ano ba binanggit ko kanina? Log ba o ln? Ln to ln. Log yata na mag-get ko kanina. Then sa logarithm, derivative of logarithm, tapos merong base. Okay? Yung 8 na dito, nirepresent siya ng nirepresent as base. Okay, base to, sorry. Yung base nirepresent ng a. Kaya nga pala dito function yung ginamit, hindi a. Ito a. Okay. Kapag walang a yan, walang base, log lang yan, automatic base 10. Okay, base 10 yon. Pero pag may nakalagay dyan na value o number, ibang number, bukod sa 10, ibig sabihin yung base niya na yun. Then x, log base to a, log x base 10, base 10. 1 over x ln a, yan yung derivative. Pero mostly, ito naman yung gagamitin natin, may function. Kaya log function of x, the base of, yan, kung ano man base yan, is equal to 1. Okay, 1 over function of x, copy lang natin ito. Then, ln, ayan, log, tapos ln ng base. Again, yung a na yan ay yung base. Then, derivative nung x. Okay, nung function. Kaya, chain rule ulit. Kaya, dalawa lang naman. Actually, isa lang naman yung derivative. Actually, isa lang derivative para sa logarithm at sa ln, natural logarithm, and then isa lang para sa logarithmic. Okay? Master natin yan. Kaya mamamaster yan kapag may problem tayong sinasagutan. The more na maraming problem, the more na maraming paraan o nakakaisip kayo ng ibang paraan para masolve yung problem. At habang dumadami, mas humihigpit yung problema, lalo kayong lumalakas. Kaya kapag maraming problema, laban. Ay, differentiate y ng ln x squared plus 1. Wherein itong x squared plus 1 na yan, ito yung function natin. Okay? Then yung ln. Ano ba yung formula sa ln? Okay? Ano lang simple. 1 over, i-copy lang natin. Yung function, x plus 1. Ito na yon, yung derivative na yon. Okay? Dali lang. Then, next, yung derivative ng function, x plus 1. Ay, 1 over x squared plus 1. Then, derivative nito, okay, is equal to 2x. So, derivative 1. Okay, therefore, ang final answer natin is 2x over x squared plus 1. Then, yan na yung derivative ng ln. Okay. Ln 1 over function of x. Tapos, derivative nung function of x. Ganun lang. Kaya, again, kailangan ma-master to. Yung mga nauna. Mamamaster siya sa ting merong problem. Next problem. Differentiate or get the derivative of y which is equal to square root of ln x. Okay. Or, pwede natin siyang i-rewrite. Mas madali kasi kung naka-exponent. Ito ay 1/2. Okay. 1/2 siya. Therefore, dahil may exponent dito, gamitin natin yung formula ng derivative ng merong exponent. Okay? n times function raised to n minus 1. Then, get the derivative. Therefore, ito ay magiging n neto, 1/2. Then, n minus x, n minus 1, negative 1/2. Okay? Then, derivative ng ln x. Ang derivative ng ln x ay 1 over x. Yan. Okay? Then, derivative ng x is equal to 1. Therefore, final answer natin is 1, 2x, then square root of ln x. Okay? Diba? Napakasimple lang. Dali, no? Madali lang siya. Mukha lang nakakatakot. Ang kailangan lang talaga, mamaster niyo yung mga nauna. Kaya yung arrangement natin, ginawa ko. Yung algebraic, yan. Tapos, yung trigo, tapos inverse, then tapos itong log and ln. Tapos last natin yung exponent. Okay? Next problem. Okay? Derivative ng y which is equal to log 3 log 4x squared to the base of 3. Ay, to the base of 3. At ito nga, pag kinuha natin yung derivative niyan, ito ay equal sa 1 over function of x. Okay? Then, ln nung base. Then, derivative nung function of x. Okay? Kaya, chain rule. Then, ngayon natin, derivative. Function of x. Wherein ito yung f natin. Function of x. Itong 3, ito yung a o ito yung base. Kaya, 4x squared. Then, times ln 3. Okay. Then, derivative ng 4x squared. Okay. Derivative ng 4x squared is 8x. Okay. 8x derivative. Okay. Pagsama-samahin, ang pare-parehas, ito ay magiging 8x over 4x squared ln 3. Common. Ito ay magiging 2. Therefore, 2 over x ln 3. And ito na yung final answer natin. Okay? Ayan lang.